Welcome back to Log Travels. I just celebrated Christmas in Las Vegas. I just wanted to show you guys a room tour in the New York Hotel Casino in the newly renovated hotel rooms. Let's go. Welcome to New York Casino and Hotel's renovated room, the Staywell. And here it is. It just renovated about a year or two ago. And now all the rooms in New York, I believe most of it, if not all of it, has been renovated. And in the Staywell, we get a little bit special. Staywell, we have these things in the shower called, I guess it's a water purifier. And part of their Staywell series, it's 3 additions to help purify the room, make it a little more aromatic, because we do have a really cool diffuser here. This is a two queen beds on the 26th floor is where I'm at. There is this machine here, which is the Staywell special that you get if you choose the Staywell room, which is a little bit more expensive than the base room, but this is part of Marriott's brand, so brand and partnership, so you might have a chance to being upgraded into this room. It's very modern now design, and it looks really cool. It is really roomy. It's actually very big. I think because it's a Staywell room, it's a little bit bigger than the usual. Here is, I guess, a air purifier. Additional next to your bed. It's very nice. You get a little bit of water as well. And here is the TV. You get a little bit of closet space, I guess. A little safe here. So there you go. Ironing board. Get a little chair on here. And a little bar area. So if you want to make some cocktails or something like that, you do have ice box and a refrigerator. And that's basically it. This is the New York room, renovated. Hope you guys like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to stay locked in. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe if you've stayed here, or if you recommend any other hotels that's in Las Vegas I should visit. Let me know. Take care until next time. Love you. Peace out. Bye bye. Are you interested in these hotel tours? Or if you'd like to see more content in Las Vegas, leave me a comment below and send me a like. Thank you so much. See ya.